Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the Skoltech Masters of Science. So Skoltech in Russia, Institute of Science and Technology, has master positions in these disciplines. You can see data science, advanced computational science, engineering systems. So you can do your masters on scholarship in these majors, and if you submit your application before March 11th, then you don't need to pay the application fee, but after March 11th you need to pay the application fee about $20 dollars. So let's start. Here we can see Skoltech is an international research focused graduate university founded by a team of world renowned professors in 2011. Skoltech's curriculum focuses on technology and innovation, offering master's program in environment and technology disciplines. Students receive extensive and rigorous theoretical and hands-on training, design their own research projects, take internships, and gain entrepreneurial skills. A full English-speaking university, Skoltech has a faculty of active researchers with international accreditation and achievements. So master program, the full time is 2 years. A detailed monthly scholarship will be up to 55,000 rupees per month, and education, accommodation, private medical insurance in accordance with Skoltech policies. So the first wave deadline is March 11th, English, and the application period for Skoltech Masters program is open now. Here we can take a look about, for example, if you want to apply for one of these programs, let's take a look at data science. So you'll click here, and here you can see about the program. In light of ever growing demand for data scientists on high-tech market, this program aims to provide young talents with high level knowledge and skills in machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, industrial data analytics, natural language processing, mathematical modeling, and other frontier disciplines. So you can also take a look about the benefits, like it will be in English, 2 years program, and deadline is 11th March 2024. This is the amount of scholarship, the coverage of the scholarship. You don't need to pay the tuition fee, and also they will cover your monthly allowance and provide you accommodation and medical allowance. A successful graduate of program will know, so you will have knowledge about these terms, these subjects. You can take a look about curriculum 2023 years of admission, a key component of your study, independent research work at world-class laboratories. The following research areas are available for you. If you want to do research, you want to do research in these areas, I will recommend you to apply for that program. Labs, you can take a look, career, and yeah, you can also read what Julia is saying about that program. Also there are other opinions, you can take a look. So you need to apply for that program, you need to prepare your portfolio, CV, motivation letter, letter of recommendation, diploma, transcript from university, certificates and awards, and then you need to upload your material to the system. And online, every candidate must take an online subject test. You will be notified via email about the date and time of your test. Final stage, the final selection take place in Moscow. You have to pass an English exam on site or present valid proof of your English proficiency and take in-person interview and entrepreneur challenge. Extra written examination may be required for certain program during the time. In case you are not from Moscow, we can accommodate you in the Skoltech dorms for the selection weekend period. Enrollment, and then tips for the math exam, you can take a look. Interview requirements, yeah, so these are the faculty members, and then you need to apply for that program. So you can see that this is competitive, but If you will get selected, then of course where you don't need to pay the tuition fee, and you will get the monthly allowance with accommodation and medical insurance, and it's a huge good opportunity. So all you need to do is click here to apply for that program and submit your application. And if you will have any question related to application procedure, or you need any information regarding that program, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly guys subscribe to our channel. And yeah, I wish you best of luck. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.